Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Outer Worlds 2 game crashing, not launching, black screen, lagging, not loading or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The first method is to restart the game. So for that, first select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller and then select quit option. After that, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. For that, you have to open settings, then choose device and connections. Then click on Blu-ray. Now select persistent storage. Here choose clear persistent storage. Now this will help you to clear the cached data. Once done, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next solution is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu. Now select settings, then choose network settings. Then click on test network connection. Now here, wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next method is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next solution is to check for the Outer Worlds 2 update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating your game, check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to clear cache of the Outer Worlds. So for that, press Xbox guide, then click on my games and apps, then tap on see all. Here search for the Outer Worlds 2, then press menu. Now choose manage game and add-ons. After that, tap on save data and then click on reserved space. Finally, click on clear reserved space. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings, then under profile and system. Now go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove and then select remove option. After that, add the account again. Next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to the latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox first, then choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Next is to check storage. So for that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then click on settings, then click on system, then click on storage option. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or game to create some space and then try to launch the game and see if it helps. Next method is to reinstall the Outer Worlds 2 games. For that, press Xbox button controller. Now move to my games and apps and select see all option. Here select the Outer Worlds 2, then press menu button, then select uninstall. Now after the game is removed, open the Outer Worlds 2 official website and download the game and then check if you can play the game. If not, then the final method is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.